Hi, I'm Rex, and today I'm going to show you an exciting new addition to data.census.gov, our address search functionality. This is something that you, our data users, have requested in the past and we listened. Not only you can use this to quickly learn geographic information about an address, but you can also quickly add this related geographies to your search. Let's go to data.census.gov so I can show you how. When you go into data.census.gov, look for the button that says Search by Address, located underneath the single search bar. This opens the panel where you can enter the address. For this example, let's use 602 South Main Street, Joplin, Missouri, 64801. Note that abbreviations are allowed. Also, in many cases, you can leave either the city, state, or zip blank, but not all three, and still locate the address. Once the address components are entered, click on the search button at the bottom of the panel. This will take you to the address card that provides some of the most frequently requested geographic information about the address. For example, we can see that the address is in the Joplin, Miami, Missouri, Oklahoma, Kansas combined statistical area. The county subdivision is Galena Township. We can see that it's in Block 3014 in Census Tract 110 and in Congressional District 7. Now, let's say that we want to get data for the census tract this address is in. To add a census tract to your search, just click on the blue text that says Census Tract 110. You can see that it adds it as a filter chip to your search. At this point, you can continue to add filters you need to narrow your search, or you can browse through the tables that appear in the list. One more thing you should know. The Search by Address feature is also available as a widget. This means you can embed it directly into your own web page, making it even easier for data users to access census data right where they already are. The widget works exactly the same way as what you've seen here on data.census.gov. Same functionality, just accessible through your own site. To embed a search by address on your site, use the web address for data.census.gov/address search widget. I hope this has helped you learn about the address search functionality. Please try it for yourself and let us know what you think. For more guidance on using data.census.gov, please see our resources page at the link below. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.